everybody, welcome to the video. In this one I'll be going through how I resurrected my Puffco Peak Atomizer from the 5 flashing lights of confusion that I call a short, which everyone should know. A short circuit is an electrical circuit that allows a current to travel along an unintended path with no or very low electrical impedance. This results in an excessive current flowing through the circuit. The opposite of a short circuit is an open circuit, which is an infinite resistance between two nodes. First step you want to do is basically disassemble your atomizer. From there, you'll want to straighten out your wires just to be sure to just rebuild from the ground up with a good foundation. To be gentle with the coils, because if you're too rough, you could break them. If you break it, you're not going to be able to reuse it unless you can solder your canthal back or find a new same gauged canthal, which I don't know the size of, but either way. Continuing, basically after you disassemble your atomizer, you are going to straighten those wires. After straightening those wires, you're going to bend them accordingly to make sure that they aren't touching and leading them in a way where when you're going to hook your coil over, when you hook that one wire over the atomizer shell, you want to make sure to have one of the wires leading towards that direction and somewhat bent. I recommend having a 90-degree angle bend at the top. What you want to do is you want to have it hooked over so it cannot dislodge, and then you want the other wire to be centered as much as possible. Make sure that the way you center it is set correctly. By doing this, you'll set yourself up proper for putting in the firing pin and not bending the wire against any of the atomizer shell, which is leading towards your short most likely. I wasn't frustrated. I did a little bit of wire cutting at the same time. This wire cutting, you want to use a jig if need be. If not, you can use your fingers, and at the same time put the brass pin without bending the center wire to where it touches the atomizer shell. You'll be good and to go, and it will be firing up nice and ready like so. So it took a while. I appreciate you guys pushing me to remake this video. The original one was very low quality in a number of different regards. And I believe that this is going to be a much better video. Of course, they could always get better, but we are on the way up. And cheers to everyone and their success. I'm so excited to see people having positive experiences with watching the videos and finding them helpful. I'm grateful for anyone that sends a comment my way. I read them all, and I truly appreciate all the positivity from all you wonderful people out there. So if you have any other questions about the Puffco or the Pro, I'll try my best to answer them to the best of my ability. Other than that, we're pretty much done for this one. We got another one coming up. And don't forget, there's usually a sweepstakes, so check the channel. Beyond that, enjoy the rest of your day, enjoy your night, and stay elevated, my friends.